Now then guys, Matt here from MK7 Automotive, and today we have another little Ford Fiesta. This one's a little 1.25 Zetec, and the owner's complaining of a burning smell, clutch related burning smell. So they've asked us if we'll kindly replace the clutch. So we are more than happy to oblige. So this is just what we're going to do. We're going to slap you on a time lapse while we get the car lifted up, stick it on axle stands, take the front wheels off, and start ragging the clutch out, ragging the gearbox out to do the clutch. So what we'll do now is we'll cut you onto a time lapse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with future content, and make sure you keep up with this little video. I think we'll try and keep this as a one-part video, just so it's a nice short one, nice easy one. So yeah, right, we'll catch you guys in a bit.
Hello.
Hello.
Just filming Matt doing some ting.
Some things. Fixing a Fiesta.
So we're just doing a bit of a Fiesta jobby. And if you're in Scotland, jobby means completely different thing. As Matty will find out next week or week after.
Well, when I ask someone for a jobby?
When you ask somebody, oh, you got any jobbies going? And they'll give you a big lump of poo. Anyway, yeah, so we've just done clutch on this little Fiesta.
That's
so there's loads of time-lapsey stuff filmed, and Matty's done an intro, and I'm just stood here doing that, so I thought I might as well do a bit of filming. So yeah, we've just done clutch. Our gearbox came out yesterday.
What was it? It said to you, like, oh, well, box out in 10 minutes.
Yeah, what time was it? It was like something like 25 past 6. Matty went, oh, we'll just have time to get the gearbox out before I go and pick my missus up at 7.
Yeah.
And then we took it out, and he went, oh, what time is it?
Quarter
and I
to
said,
6.
no, it weren't. It was 20 to 6.
Yeah, so 5 minutes to get a gearbox out.
10, what time? 20 to 15 minutes it took us to get it out.
15 minutes.
And tidied up.
Yeah.
So, yeah, no messing. It's probably taken us just a bit longer to put it back in.
Just so,
yeah, we got a bit stuck. We had to just take off a little cover. That little cover there. That one. Let's take that off and just rotate the engine, just to line the splines up. It was either that or put the gearbox in gear and waggle it and then spin it. So it was just easy just to stick a socket on a ratchet and
2 T30s, am I?
yeah, 2 T30s. Was that cover off? Spin it over. Job's a peach.
Job's a bloody peach.
So yeah, so it's all back. Look. Matty's clearly compensating there, isn't he? Isn't he? He's overcompensating there. Funny guy.
Funny guy.
So yeah, it's currently drizzling in Sunnybrid, which is never good.
Bloody Drizzlington.
Drizzlington. That's good. That's good. That.
Do you like that?
Drizzledinho from Drizzlington.
Yeah.
You know. So yeah, it's getting a bit damp.
Beery.
But yeah, so we'll get
Power through.
all this wanged back together.
For those who don't know what that means, there's two different, like, it can mean either sticking it all back together or it can mean a cock.
A wang, yes.
It's a wang.
It's a name we use for a penis where we live.
Yes.
On this, just on this street, I would imagine. Just me and you, mate.
Just me and me.
Good old wang. So yeah, it's all going back together. Just keep watching time lapse, and you'll see.
Like, you'll even see Josh filming this as we speak.
You'll see me. Look, I'm filming you, filming me. You know. Madge. Automotive. Right, folks, we'll get cracked on. City.
Right, folks. So, and that's another one done. You got the time lapse in there of us pulling the gearbox out, doing the clutch, and putting the box back in. It's just a quick snippet one. It's not a full in-depth video.
Why don't you stand it in front of the camera?
I'm not standing it. I'm standing here.
Don't like it, do you?
No. So yeah,
I might like it.
That's that one done. Out the road.
There you go, Matty.
Locking wheel nut key.
You can have it. You've got to reach round the front of the camera.
I don't want to. It's alright.
You've got to. No, you've got to put your hand the other side and grab it. Thank you.
Yeah, so that's that one done. Nice little green 1.25 Fiesta, MK7. Clutch done, so now I'm just going to take it for a spin around block. Make sure clutch works as it should. Make sure I'll select our gears, drives right. I did mention that there's a clunking sound actually, so I'm going to listen for that. And yeah.
Now you tell us.
Yeah, I forgot about it. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop us a subscribe, comment. We like the comments, don't we, Josh?
We do. Cheers, Kev.
Cheers, Kevin.
Kev, you know who you are.
Yep.
Man.
You keep you've commented on a few videos now, so yeah. Thank you, Kevin. Yeah.
He's a bloody good lad, is that, Kevin?
He is a bloody good lad, is Kevin. Right, anyway. I'm off. So we'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And drop us a comment. So, see you guys soon.
Like and subscribe.